Hey everybody, welcome back to Craps University. Today we're going to talk about another system called the quick exit system. So it's very easy. We're going to start off with the $25 pass line. Once the point is set, let's say 9, then you prioritize either the 6 or 8. It's up to you. What I was reading, they like to prioritize the 6, but there's no difference in frequency over the 8. So whatever you feel, go ahead and prioritize. Now, if the point is 6, definitely 8's your option. Okay? And then one hit, you take the payout plus the base bet, and that moves to the odds. Make sure your odds are easily divisible. The only ones you really have to worry about are the 5 and 9, but 6 and 8 divisible by 5. 5 and 9 divisible by 2, and 4 and 10. Basically anything on the 4 and 10. Pretty straightforward. I'm going to walk through some rolls now. I've got my $2,500 bankroll. Let me make sure it's correct. 400 in 25s, 100 in red, that's 500, 2,000 in black. We're going to 25 on the pass line, and let's get some dice going. And 5. 5's our point. All right, the strategy says to prioritize that 6. It's up to you. 6 or 8 in this case is just fine. And we're looking for that 6 to hit. Once it hits, we'll take the profit and the base bet and move it all to the odds on the 5, and we'll let it resolve that way. This is kind of a low action roll. And 5's the point. All right, we get paid on that 5. Point is off. We'll just rack that 25 up. Coming out 10. 10's the point. All right, we're still looking for that 6 to hit. 10 the point. Back to back, back to back. 25, just take it and rack it. All right, we're coming out. And 6. This is an easy one for us. We got the 6 down here. We'll move to the 8. We've got both 6 and 8 in play. That's good. Looking for an 8. 7. All right, that's it. I think by hitting those points, we about broke even on that. Maybe down 5. All right, so we're off. Throw our pass line bet out. Coming out 4. And 6. There we go. That's what we want. 30 pays 35. We'll put 65 in odds behind. We'll try to let this resolve. And really, that's just 10 shy of max odds. So 3 times odds. That's fine. And 6 again. Looking for a 4. 5. Now, here comes that 4. 22. 3. 7. 7 out. All right, we're off. Go back to the pass line. 8. Throw 30 down on that 6. 7. 7 out. Well, that's no good. All right, we're coming out. And 5. 5's the point. $30 on the 6. And 3 craps. 9. The neener. 10. Easy 10. 9. 9 again. That's 3 9s. Let's go. Let's hit a 6. 8 the hard way. 33. Let's go. 5. That's the point. All right. We'll just rack that up. We're coming out. 5. 5's the point. A lot of 5s and 9s today. All right, we're looking for that 6. 5. 5's the point. Back to back. All right, we're coming out. 6 is the point. There's your 33. We'll move that to the 8. We've got the 6 right there. And 6. 6 is the point. And we get paid. We're off. And we're coming out. Looking for a point. That's the 8. Hard 8. We'll move that to the 6. Now we're looking for that 6. 10. 5. 5 again. Yo. 10. 4. 5. Jeez. Come on. Let's get a 6. 5 again. Another 5. Whew. Another 5. No 5. 9. Got the sibling. 4. 4 the hard way. 8. 8 the hard way. Off. pay. All right, here we go. All right, coming out. 7, pay the line. 9. All right, we're already set up. We are looking for that 6. 7 out. Whew, that was a long one. This is why I do not like single number or 2 number action. All right, let's see how we did. We'll leave that 2000 in black. Down 45 bucks. Very slow. We had 4 shooters. Very slow, little action. What saved us was by hitting points. It would have been much better if we would have got paid with odds down there. But this strategy, that's just how it works. Not a favorite in my book. All right. So, of course, you can see the common pitfalls is, 1, spreading out your exposure to other numbers. You should only be playing 2, whatever the point is, and 6. You can do 8 or 8, not both of them together. And that's where some of the common pitfalls. Pressing bets when you hit instead of taking them down and putting them as odds and letting the point play out. That would be ideal to get paid true payouts. And then another pitfall is leaving your bet up here up instead of putting it in your odds. So some pros about this, of course, very low exposure. We did 4 rolls, we were down 45 bucks. You could probably play for a long time until you get into the right situation. It's a very quick decision tree. It's easy to understand what's going on. It leverages your best values, which are 6 and 8. The cons, you miss longer hand or longer roll upside. It relies on trying to get or hit that 7, move it to the odds, hit the point before a 7 comes out. And it can feel too conservative. Well, of course, because it is conservative. It is very conservative. So the quick exit system is 2 bet exposure, a pass line, and a box number, 6 or the 8, depending on what the point is. If you ever play this, go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you got a question, do the same, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Craps University and turn the notifications on so you know when there's new content. I want to thank everybody for watching Craps University, and we'll see you on the felt.